Hi everyone, Professor Jeralyn Glass here at the CrystalCadence Sound Healing Studio and Temple of Alchemy in Los Angeles. The Tune-Up Tuesday for August is released, and it's this great, incredible, beautiful set that helps us to embody our divinity, helps us to embody the light that we are through the support of sound vibration. Take a listen. Alchemies are incredible. Zestulite, phenakite, selenite, Lemurian seed crystal, platinum, palladium, pink aura gold. Allow sound to help inspire you, to help open you, to help expand you, to ground you into the light and the truth of who you are. See you over at the YouTube channel. And please, if you like the content, please do subscribe.